So guys, we have our basic HTML code and on the background we have the output. Now there are three ways to add CSS in our HTML document. The first one, inline style. For that, select any of the tag, suppose this paragraph, give it a space, then write style equal double quotation, and inside this your CSS code. Suppose we want to change this text color into green. For that, color clone green semicolon. Now save it and reload the page. See, now it's green. To add more CSS code, suppose we want to make the text bold. For that, just give it a space, font dash weight clone bold, then semicolon. Now save it and reload. See, now the text is bold. The second way, internal style. For that, go inside the head section, write less than style greater than, close it with less than slash style greater than. Give some space, enter, tab. Now we will write our CSS inside these two tags. So let's change the background color of our web page. For that, we need to change the color of our body section. So write body, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space, inside background color, suppose pink, then semicolon. Save it and reload. See, our page background color changed. Also we can use the class function. For that, go inside any tag, then write class equal double quotation, inside this class name, suppose my heading, then go to the style, call for the class. For that, dot my heading, opening brace, closing brace, inside put your code, suppose color red semicolon. Save it and reload. See, the text color changed into red. Lastly, we can link a external CSS file with our HTML document. For that, let's copy this, delete the style part, save it, reload. So we do not have our style anymore. Now go inside the folder where we have our HTML document, this one, tutorial HTML, and there we have two folders, images and CSS. Inside the CSS folder, just open your notepad, put the code we copied, file, save as, click on the drop down, from here select all files, go inside the CSS, make a new CSS file like tutorial.css, then press on save. Now we have a new file, tutorial.css. Go back to the HTML document. Inside the head section, we need to write less than link space rel equal double quotation. Inside we need to declare that this is a CSS style sheet. For that, write style sheet. Again give a space, href equal double quotation. Inside write the folder name first. The folder name is CSS. So CSS slash the file name tutorial.css, then close it with a greater than symbol, and we are done. Save and reload the page. See, all the styles are here now. So we have our tutorial.css file open here. Let's change the background color into another color, save it, reload. See, it's working perfectly. So guys, that's how easily we can use the CSS in HTML. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.